Yo, good morning people on Tripping Outdoors. We back, day 6, baby, day 6 of our hunting adventures. It's Tuesday, 7:45 in the morning. Yeah, we got out here a little earlier. We supposed to came yesterday, but had some other stuff to take care of. So yeah, we back out here today. Like I said, it's Tuesday, 7:45 in the morning. We up early on Tripping Outdoors, baby. We're gonna get this adventure started. Boom, baby. Yo, Tripping Outdoors. We back out here, people. We on the trail. We're gonna head back to another spot. Go a little bit more north on the trail that we on. Got some good footage from a trail camera last night. Got a young doe coming through there. This the second night that I done had some young does come past one of my trail cameras coming from the north. So we gonna head north. See if we can find us a buck or a hog or something coming from north. Since I got traffic coming from that way, people. Yeah, some traffic it is. Yeah, man. Tracking back down the same old trail. Just going further, gonna bend off a little bit further down the trail. Not too much further than what we've been going, people. Like I say, we out here to explore. Just a young man trying to live a dream, man. So, we out here. I know on the last episode we said we was coming out Monday morning. But I decided to take care of some holiday stuff with my family, with my son, my wife. So yeah, I'm out here early today. Probably be out here about 2 hours, nothing too long. That's why I came a lot earlier than I normally come. I'm normally here around 8:30. So yeah. How everybody doing this morning, man? Remember, like, share, subscribe to the page. You know, comment below. Tell me anything I could do better. Y'all know how it go. Like I said, we out here, day 6, Tripping Outdoors. Just trying to bring you some content. Hopefully we can find some today. Get a chance to take some shots at some stuff today. We won't be going by the base or the trail cameras today because, like I said, we're not out here that long. So there's no need to really go back and disturb that area. I'll pop in some footage, do a little bit of action that we got on our trail cameras. So that's probably a good spot I'll probably hunt next year. Probably keep that camera up year round there, just to see how much they come through traffic in that area. I hope everybody having a good morning. I know I am. Get a chance to get out. Probably walk through some water again. I'll get a chance to get out on the trail. Get out, try to get some stuff done today. Like I say, man. But yeah, we out here tripping outdoors, baby. We out here on the trail. I'm gonna get down this path. Once I get to the spot I wanna cross over on, I'm gonna get back with you. Boom. Good morning, baby. Yo, baby. Welcome back. Tripping outdoors, baby. We en route to that new way I told you. Going further down in the path. So we'll have to keep it quiet. I ain't never been this way, so I wanted to alert not that we coming. Like I said, baby, yeah, day 6. We out here early in the morning. Like I said, yeah, we're going a new way around. Trying to come on the north side. Where the deer be at on my, or the doe be at on my camera. See, I don't know if y'all can see. It's a little crossing right over there. I got my camera coming around that crossing. But it's way to walk this land so you can walk around to the other island port over there. Yeah, so we're going over there to that set of trees today. Hopefully you could have seen that. I'm trying to show you through the bushes. It's quiet today. No buggies. Especially on foot days. I think coming during the week is way better than coming on the weekends. There's a lot more traffic with buggies on the weekend. It's like the second or third day I came during the week. And nobody was here. No buggies, barely any cars. When I came out, I didn't really see anybody. So, like I say, I'm blessed to be able to get out here early and often as I can. So, we go over there, right in that little crossing over there. I got a camera coming right off that crossing, and they be coming from that way. So we're gonna try to track down behind them people. See if we can come up and where they at. Like I said, I haven't been to this area before, so I'm trying to be extra quiet, extra careful. So I'll say sorry if you can't hear me. Talking a little bit lower. Sorry, PB, I'm looking at my GPS. I found one way I want to go, but I might come back. No, I want to come down deeper, so we're going to keep going to the original trail that I plan on going on, but that is one access route. I'll take a picture of that there. Like I said, PPS a new track for me. Haven't been down this far. There's really no wind blowing, so I ain't worried about that. I just gotta keep my noise down. So try not to alert nothing. Like I said, we hunting with our trusty 5.56 223. Got some 77 grain in it. So we'll see if I can make enough pop to get us a hog at least. And if I can get a good shot on the deer, I'll probably take it. If it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't bring my 300 blackout with me, so we're just testing out this 223, see how this works first before I bring out my 300 blackout. Yeah, man, we almost to the turnout point, people. I'll get y'all when we get in the trail. Peace. Tripping Outdoors, baby. Alright, people. Welcome back, Tripping Outdoors. We finally made it to the turnout point on the path that we're trying to get to, so we about to track through it. Remember, gotta be quiet. It's a new area, so I'm not really familiar with this area yet, so let's get in. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to the page. Trip Media Productions, our main page. Tripping Outdoors, our outdoor adventure page. Man, just a young man trying to live a dream, baby. Yeah, people, like I said, man, we on a new path today, taking y'all on more and more adventures out here at JW Corporate, WMA. We almost to the opening where I want to get to. All right, people, we made it to the opening I want to come to. It's just a little break off point for different areas around this little piece that we're checking out today. We came from back that way. Right now we're facing west. All right, people, for to check this out a little bit, I'll get back to you. Sorry about the sun behind me, baby. Tripping Outdoors. Yo, people, we're back on Tripping Outdoors. We made it to the other side. Came from back this way. So we're gonna go on some more. I found another page I wanna go check out. So hey man, we heading there before I get up out there. Like I said, I haven't been to this side before. It's just a little short day of me getting out here, trying to cover some more ground. So, yeah, baby. We out here, man, Tripping Outdoors. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the page, baby. Out here to bring you all your outdoor adventure needs, man. Make sure y'all leave comments. Let me know what we can do better. How can we improve the page? What y'all guys want to see. Hey, if I can bring it to you, I'll bring it to you. And if I can't bring it to you, I'm going to try to bring it to you. All right, let's get up here. pulling up to another opening on the other side over here. Yeah, people, we done went a lot further than what we wanted to today. But hey, man, like I say, we're here to bring you outdoor adventures. Explore what are unexplored, if they say. Well, clearly buggies done been here through, so it's done been explored already, but y'all know what I mean. Like I said, we just out here trying to look for another point I want to go to. I say we don't want a lot further than what we was expecting today, which is good. You know, it's always good to get out here, explore. I'm just trying to see, do I want to go a little bit deeper before we get out of here? All right, people, let's keep going. I'm getting a couple notifications on my phone, people. That's why I'm slowing down. I'm gonna check these notifications. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yo, we back, people. Tripping Outdoors. Sorry about that. I had to take care of some stuff on my phone real quick. Now we back on the trail. Eat. Alright, people, yo, welcome back to Tripping Outdoors. Sorry about that last cutoff back there. I had to handle some stuff with my camera. Yeah, we made it to the other side, people. We still got the sun to our back. Still early morning. Definitely got one a little bit further than we wanted to go, but hey, that's all good, baby. See the line over there. It's a good little distance away. Yeah. But yeah, people finna walk the line a little bit more. I get back with you when we get to another spot. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, baby. Tripping Outdoors. Yo, people. Back with you on Tripping Outdoors. Here we heading out. I'm gonna go the opposite way of what I came in. I'm just gonna suck around the outside of it and try to get back without disturbing much. Yeah, people, we made it to the other side. Went a lot further than what we wanted to go today, which is good. We got a chance to check out some more areas. Which is always good. Like I say, Tripping Outdoors, man. We're here for all your outdoor needs, man. Next episode, we don't know what we're gonna bring. Could be more hunting. Might be out on the boat with my brother-in-law. You never know. Definitely gonna bring y'all a fishing episode. See if we can catch some out on the fish trail. Yeah, I'm good at doing this to myself with these goddamn trails. Trying something different. So I don't know what's going on this side of the trail. Like I said, we're gonna walk the outside line. Hopefully it's not too deep going around. Alright, people, we're gonna ride this trail on that. Like I said, people, while we out here, might as well cover as much ground as we can, right? Try new trails, try new paths. Maybe we got tracks. think I'm on there. Alright, people. I'm here talking like the other side. I got a lot of noise going on right here. Got some birds swarming some over here. Alright, people. Yo, people. Back with you on Tripping Outdoors. I've been having some issues with my camera lately, so I gotta finish it out on my phone. How y'all doing, people? I'm on the trail heading out, circling back around the opposite way we came in. Let's see if we can find any tracks. Any other place. Like I said, I got some small tracks over here too. Yeah. Like I said, we know where we're going. We're tracking with the sun, so just going back towards the sun. It'll take me back to the path that I came right on. Yeah, see what I see. Sorry about the sun being there. Like I said, we're going back towards the sun. There are two routes this here. I want to stay close to the edge, or stay in the bushes, stay crossing the bushes. Again, people Tripping Outdoors. Like I said before, man, just a young man trying to live a dream. Living the dream through his outdoor adventures. So, trying to avoid any extra wind if I can. I think this is much though. Do you see what I see? Yeah, man, we're almost to the end of the day 6. Got a lot more covered. Like I said, we're not only out here hog hunting, but we are also on our outdoor adventures. Trying to explore, get one with nature, get back in tune with the basics of life, man. Out here, surviving, foraging, especially with the way things are, man. You gotta be able to get out here and survive. You gotta find your own food and stuff like that. So, like I said, it's always been something that I've been keen on. And, yeah, I finally got a chance to get out here. And, yeah. Like I said, we just tracking out, just following the trail on out, man. Pretty sure we're coming up to the trail. Yeah, right right on it. So this first little access point that I walked by when I first got here was actually a straight line trail from where I was just coming from to get on the edge. And I thought that was gonna be an edge trail. So yeah, people, we back on the trail. We don't want to explore some more for the day. I'll holler at y'all when I get back to the car. Peace, baby. Tripping Outdoors, baby. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Follow the main page, Trip Media Productions. Tripping Outdoors is a page. There's our subcategory on there. So try to bring all our outdoor adventures. Like I said, man, anything y'all want, post it in the comments. I'll try to bring it to you. Tripping Outdoors, man. We doing our thing, baby. Peace. Enjoy your morning. Yo. All right, people, day 6. Morning hunt in the books. We was out here for a good 2 hours or so in the morning. Right now it's what, 10 o'clock. We get out here around 7:45. So like I said, we got a good actual like maybe 2 hours actually being out. Maybe hour 45 minutes actually being out on the in the woods. You know what I'm saying, tracking. But yeah, another good successful day. Blessed to be able to get out here, so that's always thankful. Yeah, we're gonna try to get back out here this evening if we can. It's Tuesday, so I'm gonna try to get back out here this evening and see if I can cover some more ground. Like I said, I think I'm on a good track. I do get action on my night cam. I'm gonna post some of that earlier in the film. I think you'll see that clip from earlier. Got a little action, but yeah, man, that's 2 nights in a row. We got some action up and down that trail. And yeah, we're just gonna stay at it, man. Like I said, I'm just a young man trying to live a dream through my outdoors adventures, baby. That's all, man. Tripping Outdoors. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow. Let your friends know to follow. Comment down below what we can do better, what we can bring you better, what I can do better. Like, yeah, Tripping Outdoors, man. Peace.